It was recognised that public shelters in open spaces, especially near streets, were urgently needed for pedestrians, drivers and passengers. The building of street communal shelters began in March 1940. The government supplied the materials and private builders executed the work under the supervision of surveyors. The shelters had 14-inch brick walls and 1-foot thick reinforced concrete roofs similar to the private shelters in backyards and gardens that were built later on. The communal shelters were usually intended to accommodate about 50 people and were divided into sections by interior walls with openings connecting the different sections. Sections were normally furnished with 6 bunks. Construction work then went on rapidly until the resources of concrete and bricks began to run out. The performance of the early street shelters was a serious blow to public confidence. Their walls were shaken down either by earth shock or blast, and the concrete roofs then fell onto the occupants. Rumours of accidents started to circulate, such as on one occasion people being drowned due to a burst main filling up the shelter with water. Although improved designs were being introduced, communal shelters became very unpopular, and shortly afterwards householders were encouraged to build their own private shelters with materials being supplied by the government.